What's up, everybody? It's Kimmy again. So happy to be here. So happy it's about to be fall. I've already had like 5 pumpkin spice lattes. Anyway, thanks for coming to my channel. Thanks for coming to my channel. And today I'm gonna do an easy smoky eye for you. So yeah, without further ado, just watch and see, and you will learn how to do this smoky eye. Here we are. I'm gonna use the same palette as I pretty much use for almost all of my simple videos, and that is the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. This palette is great for everything, every day, every, special event, anything. So I like to use the same one so that those of you who are watching, like, you don't have to get a lot of different palettes. Honestly, you can get this one and it can last you for whatever event you're going to. So to start the smoky eye, I've done my face, so I put on my powder so that anything that falls out, any shadows that fall out, I can just wipe them off after this. Otherwise, you want to do your smoky eye before you put any makeup on. To start, I put on concealer on my lid. I just use my regular concealer that I use on my lid. Then you want to set it. So to set it, the closest thing to my skin color would be this orange soda color on here. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and this orange soda and just kind of like set it on my eye. You see, it's almost like the same color as my eye. The thing about smoky eye is you want to make sure it's clean and crisp, because it's smoky, it can get a little muddly or whatever. So you want to start off with like a clean, crisp base. Now you want to go in with the next intense color. I'm going to start with this burnt orange right here. And I'm going to look down in the mirror and see where my natural eye shape is. Take that burnt orange and press it onto my crease. Lightly brush it, but kind of just press the color on there. This is what you call a transition shade. So this basically is the color that kind of is between your skin color and between where you're about to go deep in here. Burnt orange. Again, I'm looking down to see my shape. So with smoky eyes, don't just start off with shebang, let me throw black on my eye. You want to build and build and build so you know what shape and what your boundaries are. So this is also creating a nice boundary for me to stay inside. I'm just going in small circles. There. Now I'm going to take an even deeper shade. I'm going to go with Rustic right here. I'm going to take an even denser brush, a more dense brush, just press it in even deeper. As I go deeper with the colors, I also go more inward towards my eye. Now I'm going to take a little fluffy brush like this. It's small, but it's fluffy, and I'm going to blend the first shadow that I put on with the little bit of a darker shadow. So I'm going to take it in between here and go really small. Now we're going to get cray cray. I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown Black Ink Gel Eyeliner, angled brush, and kind of just put that on there. Now we're getting crazy. Now I'm going to take a brush and kind of like smooth it out a little bit. I'm gonna take this shadow palette in the color Noir, basically a black shadow. Taking a brush and dabbing it on there on top of the gel liner. I'm taking the shadow and slightly going above where I put the gel liner to buff it out and blend it. Being careful not to get too outside of my boundaries. Go back with another brush that you use and kind of blend out the other edges. I'm blending and I'm kind of pushing my brush strokes toward the inner part of my eye so that it just won't get crazy floating around. Now I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible liner and go under the eye. When you're doing a smoky eye, you don't want to leave the bottom part bare. So use a pencil to start with, then we're gonna smoke it out. Then I'm gonna take the same colors I took in the beginning, go with this rustic right here, with a flat, like thin brush, and go under. With my pencil, link up your corners of your eye. Then put a little liner on. This is the Urban Decay. This is the Urban Decay Perversion liner. Then the final touch, I'm gonna put a little light up under my eyebrow just to make it stand out a little bit more. Kind of a small brush. I'm gonna take the color Orange Soda and mix it with Tempera and put it under my eyebrow. Adds just a little bit of something. So this is the look. I hope you guys found it very easy to follow. Let me know if you have any questions about any ways that you can improve it or problems that you're having. Again, I've been using this one Soft Glam palette as to not confuse anybody. I use it almost in every video that I do, just so that you can kind of understand how to make one palette work for you. And a lot of palettes do that. I just like this one, I choose this one, and this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. Yeah, so hit me up, tell me what you guys think. Again, as always, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please click the thumbs up and also subscribe if you have not already. And if you don't have a YouTube, get a login, subscribe. Anyway, hit me up, guys. You can hit me up on Instagram at Kimmy Couture, and I hope to see y'all soon. All right, bye.